Welcome one and all, it is Vital and we are back again, and let's talk going viral and how to promote your music on TikTok. So on behalf of the Ditto music team, I will be going through how to make music go viral on TikTok, how to promote music on TikTok, releasing music on TikTok, focusing on TikTok friendly music, using hashtags, creating challenges and contests, following people, doing duets or collaborations, authenticity rules, visuals and memes, sharing across other platforms, and local to global. So just like usual, make sure you check out all the markers, the timestamps below in case you want to skip through and go to the part of the video that you require. But if not, sit back, kick back, take note and relax. And like usual, before we start, make sure you subscribe, hit like, and do not forget to hit that notification bell so you do not miss a single video. Listen, I need you guys to comment. I'll be down in the comments. I'll be seeing what's going on. So let's do this. So in recent years, we've seen loads of artists blow up on TikTok talking Ava Max, Doja Cat, and obviously Lil Nas X. TikTok, the platform, has over 500 million active users globally. So it's no surprise why trending on TikTok can do absolutely wonders for your music career. The question is, why has TikTok been such an influential platform for up and coming artists? Simply because most of the content that's posted is all based around music. TikTok users create short videos, usually based around music in a sense of a song's hook or a verse. But what makes TikTok videos so unique? The videos are usually around 15 seconds long and have a vertical or portrait aspect ratio. All videos are backed with an audio snippet, usually from TikTok's music library. Authenticity and group participation is way more important than getting the perfect shot. Videos can be recorded in parts and edited together in fragments. And just like algorithms do, more popular videos get pushed to wider audiences. But how do you make music go viral on TikTok? TikTok's algorithm creates a unique feed for every user. This page is called a For You page or hashtag FYP. The more users interact with their platform, the more tailored their FYP content will become. For example, let's say your song's 15-second snippet is used in a video, then that video shows up on another user's For You page. And then that user enjoys the video so much that they want to create a version of that song utilizing your audio, your song, your track. So then on the TikTok app, it's so easy to utilize, borrow people's music from a different video for you to use it on your own. It's a simple process of audio copying to make a song go viral on TikTok. It simply takes 2 clicks for a user to put music from another video to their own. If a dance challenge or a lip sync video inspires one user, there's a bigger chance that it's going to inspire a lot more people to use it in their own videos. The more the algorithm sees people using that music, the more it's going to feed it to more people and newer viewers, which in turn inspires more users to utilize that song, that track, your music to make their own videos utilizing your track. This chain reaction has helped a lot of otherwise overlooked music go viral on TikTok, which has then taken that energy outside of TikTok to Spotify, Apple Music, in actual official charts. There's loads of examples where smaller artists have achieved massive success from going viral on TikTok and gaining great exposure. So now you understand how songs go viral. Now let me explain on how to promote your music effectively on TikTok. Release your music on TikTok, that's the first thing. You have to grow your audience and then encourage people to share your music and share your content. It needs to be on there. You can't actually go viral on TikTok for your music unless your music is on the platform and in the TikTok library. So very fortunately, Ditto Music can deliver and distribute your music to TikTok, as well as Apple Music, Spotify, Facebook, and even Instagram. So if you haven't signed up to Ditto Music already, there are links below on how exactly to do that and exactly how to get your music in the TikTok library, as well as the other music platforms. So once you've done that, you've signed up and you've put your music out there, your music will be available on the TikTok library for all of the over 500 million users that TikTok has globally to utilize, and for you to start pushing effectively ways to go viral and basically build on your career. Another thing you need to do is focus on TikTok friendly tracks. I mean, this is here or there, but at the end of the day, if you want your music to blow on TikTok, then you're gonna have to kind of go with the agenda and the idea. If not, you can pick out music that you already have that you feel will marry to that energy of TikTok and get it on there and start promoting it in unique and cool ways. So if your track's going to go viral on TikTok, then it needs to be TikTok friendly. But more specifically, what do I mean? TikTok's music content can be no longer than 15 seconds realistically, because you want to get people straight away. So So whether you've got a long song, that's fine, but that first 15 seconds or somewhere in the song, 15 seconds that really relates. It could be an intro, it could be a chorus, it could be a bridge, it might even be part of the verse that really catches and is very relatable. So we're talking broad, catchy, and like I said, relatable enough for TikTok's user base to build and create video content around that song for their videos. So don't be afraid to dig back through your old catalog and find music that would more marry or match the energy of TikTok now. Re-release maybe get that song back out and see if you can start or restart a campaign. And if your music has already been released on Ditto music in the past, then you can add the songs to new platforms like TikTok free of charge. And in the description there's another link where you can find out exactly how to do that. But if not, I really do feel like these should help. And if you're with a different distributor, there's links below also on how to move your music from them to Ditto music and then get your music on TikTok to make sure you have the chance of going viral with one of your tracks. For example, Choices by E40 blew up on TikTok simply for its lyrically simple hook, which could be used in a wide range of user-generated content, with each person and user putting their own vibe and spin and kind of stamp on it. So once again, have a look in the description and we've got a few examples there of people that have utilized the energy and gone from A to B and becoming viral on TikTok. So this one's all about the use of hashtags, and I mean most platforms utilize hashtags, but specifically on TikTok, it's definitely going to be worthwhile utilizing hashtags. Because with TikTok, the hashtags are usually the center of what makes content go viral. Include a mix of hashtags in anything that you post. They can be specific to you, the content you make, or just general ones that people utilize all the time. You could even piggyback off trending hashtags to help your content reach way more people. And I'm hoping you're with me still, creating challenges and contests. I mean, you see all over Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all of the social medias, and I'm telling you, TikTok has taken advantage of that, and it's like the epicenter of where it all happens and where things really take off. So you should encourage fans and followers and just supporters of all kind to really get involved in challenges and contests that you create on TikTok utilizing hashtags and the content that you've made. But don't forget, your song should be included on there. If you've uploaded it, make sure you attach it officially. You will see it floating past, and that means it's a part of the content, then people can reshare that audio, utilize that audio, and help you get viral on TikTok. I swear it's simple. It seems hard, but it's simple. Once you got it, I promise you get me. Challenges tend to blow up when people that are doing them are having fun and when they can be interpreted and utilized in different ways by different people. You want to give people the chance to be creative and put their own unique twist on a current or an existing trend. This is why it's most important, as I mentioned earlier, to choose a track that is TikTok friendly, something that is relatable, wide, broad, and that all people can just take in, understand, and interpret in a way that they can repurpose that content, repurpose that song. So some of the most popular challenges on TikTok are usually dance routines, lip singing, costumes, or comedy memes. And I mean, you can make a version of all of those or just one of those and really focus on it, but it's making something that is relatable and affecting people in a positive way, usually from an emotion base, whether it's laughter, sadness, happiness, or just something that's really culturally different. It's unlikely that you'll generate a viral sensation from posting a challenge. You need to be provocative. Like you could, for example, run a challenge as a contest and offer a grand prize at the end of it for a lucky user, follower, supporter, or fan. Maybe the winner gets a reward, free gigs, a cash prize, or maybe even merch. Alternatively, you could recruit an existing influencer to promote the challenge or trend and help you start picking up a bit of traction. I mean, here's some examples. The Get Up by Blanco Brown spawned a hugely popular dance challenge named hashtag the Get Up Challenge, where each user creates their own version of a dance routine to the song's main hook. So the next thing we're talking about is the idea of following people, following users, following potential fans. Dive in straight away and start following people, like-minded people, people that are similar to you, people that are interested in things that you're interested in, and also things that may link to the content that you may start producing. Follow other musicians, popular accounts, and follow back anyone that follows you. I mean, following in general is the best way to build an audience, a crowd, a support system on TikTok and much like other social media platforms. And it also gives you the opportunity to scope out other people on the platform and see what's working for them and see how you can utilize and take some of them ideas. And it's all about what's trending. That's the key part. So what's trending, look for things like that, utilize them ideas and see if you can kind of take them in yourself and repurpose them. Do a duet. It's a form of a collaboration. It's a really easy way to engage your fellow TikTokers. The duet feature allows you to put two videos side by side playing simultaneously. And duets are another feature which are really great on TikTok that allow you to reach more people and potentially gain more fans. You can collaborate with other TikTokers, especially musicians, and see what you can create and come up with to help you both reach new listeners at the same time, especially if you're a like-minded artist. You can react to a popular TikTok user's content in hopes that more people people will see your content, your profile, and then give you a follow. To create a duet video, simply find the content, click share, and then click the duet button. 2 clicks. Authenticity rules, and I mean that happens in any space. People prefer organic and natural to fake and advertised. TikTok is all about authenticity. It's just real people creating makeshift content to entertain one another. So unlike the idea of going live or creating amazing music videos, don't worry too much about framing or too much about lighting. Just make sure it's entertaining, engaging, and real. You want to inspire people to follow your trend or your challenge by them creating their own videos in homage to yours, visuals and memes. Aside from music, there are 2 other main elements that have allowed TikTok to grow into such a massive platform: engaging, easily imitated visuals, and generally funny and inspiring content. Remember again, videos don't have to be perfectly shot. They just have to be engaging, interesting, hilarious, relatable, and so on. Those kind of things. So if you can turn at least a 15-second snippet of your track into an easy to copy 15-second video, then it definitely has the potential to blow on the TikTok platform. So another cool thing about TikTok is sharing across platforms. And for example, like sharing from TikTok to Instagram is literally 1 click. You don't have to go onto the web browser version. It will take you from one app to another app, because realistically, Instagram want you to use their platform, but TikTok also want you to share branded content, and that's why their logo's on there, but also your is on there, so people can follow you and find you from other platforms and lead straight back to your TikTok account. Sharing that content from TikTok to other platforms is a very easy way to reach more people. And like I said, Instagram allows you to take it straight from TikTok to the Instagram stories. So last but definitely not least, it's all about starting local and then going global, working with what's around you, relating that information, and over time it'll start leaking out to people from a wider and a further reach. TikTok is great at pushing and providing localized content, so use that, think about that. And you might start to notice this once you've been using the app for a little while. So why not harness the power of local content to engage new potential fans in the area around you? For example, create a video showcasing your hometown and stick your music in the background. That's simple. Or if you're heading out on a social distance tour, tag the location that you're in, tag all the locations that you're going to, and let people know that you're in the city, you're in the town. And as I've been saying for this whole entire video, TikTok users respond well to authentic content that they personally can relate to. And where better to start than where you are and where you live? TikTok is literally one of the most new and most interesting ways for an artist, big or small, to reach a massive audience. Going viral on TikTok doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes work. Put the work in, make great music, add it to your content, and maybe you can be the next viral sensation. Yeah? Got you, fam. I got you, fam. And I mean, if you've had any success on TikTok yourself, please leave a comment below. Let us know how you did it. Did you use any of these skills? Is there something I didn't mention that you feel will be valuable to the Ditto music community? Leave it below in the comments and make sure you get involved for the next video we're gonna drop. Like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. So yeah, well, I hope you've got a greater understanding of TikTok and how to go viral from engaging and utilizing the platform. So remember, have your TikTok friendly tracks ready on TikTok, and what better way than utilizing and releasing through Ditto music or moving your content to Ditto music, so you have the opportunity to allow your music to be on your content and potential 500 million amount user base on TikTok's platform. Use hashtags, create challenges, and create contests. Follow is the game. Follow back also. Collab and do duets as much as you can where it makes sense. And like I said, and like I've been saying, understand, overstand that to go viral, you have to do the groundwork. So from me, Vital, and the Ditto team, love and respect. Subscribe, make sure you like, and do not forget to click that notification bell so you do not miss a single video. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the comments where we'll be talking all things music and how to promote your music and go viral on TikTok. I will catch you guys on the next one. More powers, myself, Vital. Oh my gosh. Peace. Love.